In this chapter of Introduction to Business by Lawrence Gitman, we will explore how businesses are being transformed from the inside out through data, digital tools, and information systems that are changing the way we work, compete, and connect. We will review each section of the chapter by starting with computer networks, then management information systems. After that, we will review technology, management, and planning. Then we will cover protecting computers and information. And lastly, we will discuss the trends in information technology. Let's dive into Chapter 13, Transforming Businesses Through Information. Over the last 70 years, we've moved from an industrial economy to a digital, knowledge-based one. Today's businesses rely on computers and IT for everything from daily tasks to major decisions. Computers range from tablets and laptops for mobile use to powerful supercomputers that handle massive amounts of data. Businesses use various software to manage tasks, such as word processing and spreadsheets for writing and calculations, databases to organize information, graphics, presentations, and communication tools for teamwork, financial and integrated software suites to streamline work, groupware for remote collaboration. Supercomputers are essential for solving complex problems in science, national security, and business. They help analyze large amounts of data quickly to improve products, operations, and forecasting. Modern businesses rely on networks to share data efficiently among employees, suppliers, and customers. Networks consist of clients and servers that enable file sharing, communication, and remote collaboration through local area networks, wide area networks, wireless local area networks, and wireless wide area networks. Intranets and virtual private networks further enhance secure internal access and remote connectivity. Enterprise portals and intranets improve knowledge sharing and reduce administrative tasks, particularly in HR and logistics. Information systems support a company's decision-making by collecting, storing, and analyzing key data. These systems include users, software, and hardware that help manage operations, process transactions, and guide business strategy. Transaction processing systems handle day-to-day data like sales, payments, and inventory, feeding into the company-wide database. Management support systems use this data for reporting, forecasting, and decision-making. Decision support systems help answer what-if questions, while executive information systems provide strategic data for top leaders. Expert systems use AI to simulate human decision-making and solve complex problems. Data warehouses consolidate company data for broad analysis and can include specialized data marts for targeted insights. These systems are used across industries, from manufacturing and banking to retail and healthcare, to improve efficiency, planning, and customer service. In today's digital world, companies generate and manage massive amounts of data. Investing in IT helps turn data into useful knowledge. But businesses struggle to see real results due to poor planning or misaligned strategies. Effective IT management requires aligning technology with business goals and streamlining systems to ensure good communication between IT staff and users. Technology planning should consider company needs, existing systems, and future growth. Beyond managing information, companies now focus on knowledge management, sharing organizational know-how to boost productivity and innovation. Knowledge management is more about people and processes than just technology. Ultimately, good IT and knowledge management strategies improve efficiency, reduce redundancy, and support business success. when paired with thoughtful planning, organizational change, and the right tools. Companies rely heavily on technology, making data security more important than ever. Threats like hackers, viruses, and human error can cause massive damage, including data loss, financial fraud, and identity theft. Businesses must protect their systems from both internal and external attacks, including deliberate sabotage and security breaches. Mobile devices and wireless networks create additional risks, while spam and software piracy also threaten operations. To prevent problems, firms need strong, proactive security policies, regular system backups, and employee training. Physical protection like firewalls, encryption, and intrusion detection systems are also essential. Privacy concerns are rising as companies collect and share personal data, sometimes without consent. Striking a balance between useful data collection and respecting customer privacy is crucial. Ultimately, strong IT security and privacy practices are necessary for protecting both business assets and customers' trust. The IT landscape is constantly evolving. However, key trends include digital forensics, an emerging field that uses digital evidence to solve crimes. Companies like Walmart and American Express are using digital forensics to investigate data theft. Distributed workforce. Remote work is expected to grow as technology facilitates global collaboration and flexibility. Cloud and grid computing. These technologies allow companies to access computing power on demand, enabling efficient completion of complex tasks. Grid computing divides tasks across multiple devices, while cloud computing centralizes services, providing cost-effective solutions for businesses of all sizes. These trends highlight the shift towards more flexible, tech-driven business models. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe or visit my Teachers Pay Teachers store for worksheets and activities that are associated with this video. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe and visit my Teachers Pay Teachers store for worksheets and activities that are associated with this video.